Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x plus 3 is equals to 3 power x plus 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So as we know the rule of exponent, that is a power m times a power n, we can write it as a power m plus n. So similarly we can use this rule. So we can write 2 power x times 2 power 3 is equals to 3 power x times 3 power 1. Now on left hand side we'll divide by 3 power x times 2 power 3 and here also now we can eliminate this and here from this. So what is left? 2 power x divided by 3 power x is equals to 3 by 2 power 3. So we can write 2 by 3 whole power x is equals to 3 by 2 power 3. Now I am taking log both sides. So as we know the rule of log formula, log m by n power x. So we can write it as x log m by n. So here x log 2 by 3 is equals to log 3 by 2 power 3. Now we have rule log m power n is equals to n log m. So we can write it as x log 2 by 3 is equals to log 3 by log 3 log 2. So log m by n is equals to log m minus log n. We can write, so we can write it as x in bracket log 2 minus log 3 and on right hand side log 3 minus 3 log 2. So now we'll divide both sides by log 2 minus log 3. We eliminate this, so x is equals to log 3 minus 3 log 2 divided by log 2 minus log 3. Now the value of log 2 is 0.3010 and the value of log 3 is 0.4771. So we'll substitute the value 0.4771 minus 3 times 0.3010 divided by 0.3010 minus 0.4771. So 0.4771 minus 3 times 0.3090 is 0.9030 divided by negative 0.1761. So when we subtract this, we get minus 0.4259 divided by minus 0.1761. So we cancel out and what is left? 2.42. So the value of x is 2.42. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.